Hello, Sangha and Sangha Force. Another music showcase. Now I just continue where I ended the last time. It was Sangha that requested me to play Here Comes the Sun, and I didn't have enough time then to do it. So I want to do it now a little bit better. I take Sangha's uh, version piano version, but I cannot play it exactly like it is there. That would be too difficult. So I do some simplifications and maybe changes so that I have a chance to do it. Let's do this.